The bells are ringing. Alas 12 na. Alas 12 na po ng tanghali dito sa Lourdes, France. At maya-maya lang po ay papaalis na kami. Pero what's nice about what happened is we were able to hear Mass, Boy and I.
Which was supposed to happen last night. Pero sobrang lamig po, hindi kami nakapagsimba right after the procession. We are here right now at talagang sinadya namin na sa tapat po ng Sanctuary of the Lady of Lourdes dahil birthday po ng matalik naming kaibigan si Mr. Boyso of La Carmela de Boracay, who is one of our closest friends. Today is my birthday, October 29. Boy's birthday is November
1st.
1. So minabuti na namin dito sa batiin kasi napakalaki ng parte ni Boy sa aming kwento. Unang-una, yung pagta-travel na ganito, galing sa kanya yan.
Na-inspire kami kay Boyso na mag-travel. Thank you.
It was actually he who gave us idea of taking breaks. Halimbawa, itong pag-ikot namin sa Spain hanggang dito sa France, ideya ito ni Boy because he did this with his family some years back. At napakaganda nga ho naman talaga. Galing ho kami sa Barcelona, tapos sa Monasterio de Montserrat. At ang dami ho naming nadaanan hanggat kagabi kami dumating dito sa Lourdes. At napakagandang karanasan. Why is Boy so important to us, baby? Because he's one of our friends na napakalaki ng magandang influence sa atin. No? Number one, yung travel, taking a break. Taking a few steps. And
very nice as a person.
Correct. Hindi, lalo na itong bakasyon kasi parang it was Boy who taught us that it is wise and it is healthy to take a few steps backward and look at your life and enjoy the world. Araw-araw nagtatrabaho ko tayo. We work hard. You teach. You do a lot of things. I do a lot of things. But kailangan we have to stop and breathe, ika nga. Ito yung ginagawa namin ngayon ni Bong. Kasi, ang tanong talaga naman, Bobong, ay para saan ba talaga tayo nagtatrabaho? Diba? Oo, para saan ba talaga tayo nagtatrabaho? So that's number one. Napakagandang influence ni Boy sa anin. Boy, maraming salamat. Pangalawa, naiisip mo ba na in a year siguro nakikita tayo nila Boy mga
once a year?
Hindi naman.
Kayo more often kasi
siguro kami mga 5-6 times a year. Kami yung magkaibigan o magkakaibigan na hindi kinakailangan ng personal presence to be present in one's life. Si Boy, alam mo, that in good and in bad times, he is there. Hindi ka kinakailangan. This is the best thing about Boy. Hindi mo kinakailangan sumigaw, hindi mo kinakailangan
humingi ng saklolo,
or
alam na niya. Alam na niya.
Or umaray kung halimbawa hindi mo na kaya.
Boy is always.
Ang nakakatuwa, every time we talk and I am facing a particular challenge, siya yung uuna. Kaya yan. Huwag masyado. Dahan-dahan. You know, naririnig mo yan sa kanya. And I think, even before the friendship happened, may mga bagay na magkadugtong. Di ba? There's that mystical, magical,
connection, thread.
That red thread, ika nga, na nagdudugtong sa buhay natin. Kay Boy, ikaw, anong hindi mo malilimutan kay Boy?
Well, the kindness, really. Ako nagtataka ko kay Boy because he shows so much kindness to me na wala naman ako sa equation, umpisa, pero niyakap niya ako, baby. And, totoong-totoo, every time I would think about it, parang naiiyak pa rin ako, baby, na parang, pinapahalagahan ako ni Boy, yung gano'n sa atin.
Kasi hindi ka naman talaga kasali nung umpisa.
Hindi ako kasali nung umpisa. Pero si Boy talaga, Boy, so niyakap mo ako. Maraming salamat. Kasi ito binabali-bali, wala lang ako nito.
Hindi naman. Bawiin mo yan.
Hindi naman.
Oo. Ang pamilya ko ay pamilya para kay Boy. Niyakap niya ang nanay, ang kapatid, ang aking mga pamangkin, lahat. Even our friends.
Even our friends.
Kahit yung mga taong nakakatrabaho natin sa opisina, sa mga palabas, ay nagiging pamilya ni Boy. Kaya ang nakakatuwa, pangatlo naman, you know, it's that funny, how do you say that? Identity. That, sandali. Sometimes that confusing identity between me and Boy. Kasi marami yung magsasabi sa akin, Tito Boy, ikaw ba talaga si Boy So of La Carmela de Boracay? And may mga pagkakataon naman na siya naman ang sinasabihan, kayo ba si Boy So? Hindi naman, kayo ba si Boy So ng La Carmela de Boracay? Because for the longest time, wala ho ito sa plano. Gusto ko lamang magpasalamat nung kay Boy because every time meron akong mga tapings, every time meron kaming kailangan sa Boracay na titirhan dahil meron kaming trabaho,
andun ang La Carmela.
Andun ang La Carmela de Boracay.
Andun ang La Carmela de Boracay.
Nauso yan, Bobong, without deliberate planning na maraming salamat kay Boys of La Carmela de Boracay. Hanggang naging kaugalian, naging uso na yung Boys of La Carmela de Boracay. So nakakatuwa yung identity na yun belongs to the both of us.
Correct.
Kami ni Boy.
Correct.
Pang-apat ako ang gusto ko.
Ilan ba ito, baby?
Hindi ko alam.
Mga 5? Madami kasi.
Hindi ko alam.
Madami.
Pang-apat yung Boy has a particular concern about health. Oo, meron siya. Siya yung nagsasabing, meron akong bagong alam na ganito, maganda ito sa katawan.
Pagod na yung cameraman namin.
Hindi ka pwede mapagod dito sa Lourdes. Pero nakakatawa kasi he constantly reminds us na kahit ano pa ang estado natin sa buhay, we've got to be healthy. We have to take good care of our health for us to be able to enjoy life. Diba? And Boy is nurturing. He is loving. Alam mo, ang pinakagusto ko, pang-5, and I'd like to pay tribute to Boy as a friend. He doesn't like to be fuzzed over.
Gusto niya simple lang siya.
He doesn't call attention. Ayaw niya nung nakafocus sa kanya.
Incognito pa minsan.
He likes to be in the background.
Correct.
Napaka-secure, napaka-stable ng pagkatao na itong kaibigan natin. Gawin natin 7. Pang-6, meron pa bang masasabi? Sabi mo, kind.
Kind,
and he's very generous to people.
Yan, generous.
Very generous. Hindi lamang in terms of material things, but in terms of friendship, love, attention, lahat.
Totoo.
He is there. I know he is very generous, not just to us, but to other friends that he has. And number 7, it's number 6 na yun. And number 7, palagay ko, Boy is the kind of friend who stays forever. Talagang who stays. Yes. Who takes you for who you are. Yes. Warts and all. The bad and the good. Hindi ka kukonsintihin. He will disagree with you if he has to. He will tell you what he thinks. He says his points. Regardless of whether it is aligned to what you think.
That's true.
Boy, we would just like to take this chance. Maraming salamat. Buo ang aming pagmamahal sa iyo, Kiloy, Kitata,
at sa buong La Carmela de Boracay family.
Mahal na mahal ka namin at maraming salamat at maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday,
God bless
Boy.
you, and may all the wishes of your good and kind heart come true. God bless you.